Just like the legacy version, ProFlyt opens to the calendar view, where you can click on an event to see or edit details and start adding available crew members. You can also manually add them, and once they're added, you can notify them. This event was built using a template to populate the timing for the mission. The event timing is now much more detailed, and the timing will all adjust whenever the scheduler updates the takeoff time. We've also added a new feature for stereo routing, with templates available for this as well. Here you'll see our new feature built to support aerial refueling with all of the info that would be needed for a mission of this type. The expanded version of ProFlyt will now allow schedulers to add aircraft directly to the flight. Simply select the tail number or build a new one. You can also add info such as fuel required and the status of the aircraft, as well as a reserved tail and the parking spot of the aircraft. In addition to the updated event features, ProFlyt has expanded our dashboards, so every team gets tools tailored to their role. Here you'll see the new TDY tracker, showing past and upcoming temporary duty assignments. Moving on to the Aircrew Scheduling dashboard, ProFlyt provides individual dashboards for tracking sims, letter of X's, TNIFs, and crew member go/no-go status. The new training dashboard has sections for letter of X's, analytics, and go/no-go status. The letter of X's section allows administrators to create, manage, track, and manually update aircrew certifications. This includes the ability to create custom certification events. The Current Ops dashboard gives administrators the ability to create stereo plan and routing templates that can be used when creating new events, similar to what I used earlier in this video. StanEval dashboard has full document support. Unviewed documents will be highlighted for the users, and you can also add expiration times. The maintenance dashboard is fully integrated with events built in ProFlyt, providing seamless transparency of important aircraft information such as mission readiness and fuel requirements for any upcoming missions. The SARM dashboard tracks currencies, allows users to create custom flight codes, and provides a centralized location to track SARM status and manage individual and squadron documents. Thanks for taking the time to watch this demo highlighting ProFlyt's new features. We look forward to serving your squadron.